friends, welcome back to another video on Android development. In the previous video we have added the app bar in the application. Now in this video we will see how we can add the items on the app bar. So for this we have to create some icons in Android Studio that will be appear on this app bar. So for this we have to click on this any folder and select the vector ascent. Here you need to double click on this icon and select here icon which you want to add on the app bar. Let's say I search it, delete, select and press OK. Now change the color of this icon and click on the choose, and now change the name of this vector ascent. Let's say IC delete and click on the next and click on the finish. Now again click on the folder new and select the vector ascent. Okay. Now again click and search share icon. Okay, now change the name of this icon and click on the next, finish. Okay, now we have two icons added in the driver folder. So first of all we have to create the menu items. So for this we need to click on the resource and click on the new, select the Android source file. Here select the name of the menu and here select menu and click on the OK. Now click on the text. Here you need to add the item that will be appear on the app bar. So let's create one by one. First give the title of the items. Let's say I type the title of this item delete. Now select the icon, drawable folder, and then select the IC delete. Okay. Now give the ID and then select the show as action. Now here you need to select one of these methods. I select if room and close the tag. Now just copy this item and paste it again and again. Now first change the title of this items. Let's say I type share and ID of this item is share. Now change the title of this, let's say setting, and remove the icon from here because we have added only two icons. Now give the ID, let's say setting, and show as action, let's say never. Never mean it will hide the item. Okay, so go to the main activity. Here you need to add method on create option menu to add that menu. So create on create option menu. Here you need to inflate the layout of the menu. So menu inflator, okay, by using this inflator we can inflate the layout. Here is the two parameters. First parameter is the menu and the second parameter is the object of this menu. So r dot menu and the second parameter is also menu. Okay, now return true. Now let's test the application. Here you can see menu items are successfully added on this app bar, and here is setting that will be never selected in these items. You can see here. If you have any question, please ask me in the comment section. If you like the video, please thumbs up my videos and subscribe my channel. Thanks.